In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about two chords intersecting outside a circle. Now at first, if we take a closer look at this diagram, we have to prove that AP, we have P outside the circle as you can see, we need to prove that AP multiplied by PB is equal to the product of CP and PD. Well, at first, to prove this rule that we have over here, we need to start with both angles BAD and BCD. If you take a closer look at these two angles that I'm pointing at right now, BAD and BCD, they are equal to each other, and that is angles in the same segment of the chord BD. And so, since they are equal, we can also consider this chord. It is the chord BD that contains both of these angles, and so that is why, since they are in the same segment, of course, they are considered to be equal. Now moving on to P. P is common to both triangles APD and CPB. It is a common angle between both of these triangles, and so as you can see here, it is part of this triangle and also part of the other triangle, which is down here. And, of course, ADP is equal to CBP. So both triangles APD and CPB are similar, and that is because we have proven the three angles equal to each other. So we can say that AP over CP is equal to PD over PB. And after doing cross multiplication, AP multiplied by PB is equal to CP multiplied by PD. And it is proven.